How to set up same Telegram account on two devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can use the same Telegram account on two devices. So if you're wondering how you can do that, this is a very super easy and straightforward process and you should be able to do it. So what you're going to do is simply head over and launch your next device on which you want to add your Telegram account to. So basically, if you have 2 or 3 devices, what you're gonna do is simply head over and download the Telegram app if you do not have it, or you can head over to the website as well. But for more features, you can just directly head over to Telegram and download it on your device. Just go ahead and type in, and if you have not downloaded on your devices, you can just go ahead and download it. Once the download is complete, you're just gonna go ahead and open it up and you will be reaching to their login page. So what you're gonna do is simply enter the login details. Don't worry, you don't need different kind of access for you to access your Telegram account on different devices. You can log in to as much as any devices you want without any kind of permissions needed. So you can just go on with the normal process of how you normally log in by choosing your country, from which country you are. After choosing any country, you're just gonna type in your phone number, send your contacts, and then get on with by typing in your phone number, confirm it, and you will be receiving a code on your phone number. Just enter it and you will be directly logged into your Telegram account on how much devices you're trying to log in. So that is how you log in into the same Telegram account on two devices by following up the method. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.